Amazon has a catalog system. It uses data from multiple sellers to compile its listing. It does this in the rather opaque and murky way. If you submit a new data for listing, you cannot be sure that it will be used the best way. If you feel that your data is a more correct than the current data being used, is to contact the Amazon seller support and ask them to update the content. Let us now have a quick look at the Amazon listing and see how this works in practice. Here is a list of products in this account which can be found under inventory, manage inventory. If I click on edit, it will bring up the product details for this offer and click on, for example, description. It will show both an option to change the description or add the description and also the details here, which is what is already on the listing. If we look at the listening here, we will see, for example, there is only two bullet points where there can be a maximum number of five. Here, additional product feature can be added, and also there are only the two products feature. Amazon will probably use the data for the additional features. If a detail added for a description, then Amazon will decide what element of this new submission to use. It's really not obvious how does it this. If you really want to get something changed, it is the best to contact Amazon seller support. And if we go to the listening enhancement, Amazon will have a list of recommended attributes that should be added to the listing. So in this case, it's suggesting adding material composition, but here you can see the other things it's recommending like adding the brand name. They also suppress the listening. These are the listening where product listening is of low quality. So Amazon is suggesting way of approving it. So it is a saying this one here for some reason. It doesn't like the item title suggesting out of the item's title. This one here it's suggesting adding color and column. So if that data then added, it will then appear in the Amazon search again.